Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Sunday dinner. I have you upstairs in my office and my messy upstairs, so stay tuned because we're going to get this room together one day. But today we're going to cook. So tomorrow is Easter Sunday and I kind of got a taste for something savory, but I don't want to go through the hassle of going to the grocery store. So I'm challenging myself to basically cook what I have here. So I have a list and basically I have pork chops. So I'm gonna make smothered pork chops, honey glazed carrots, green beans, double eggs, cornbread. I think that may be it. Alright guys, so the game is all here. Harris just woke up and so we're about to get started. Hubby's gonna help me. Let's get into it. Alright, so what you making?
I don't know. That's what I was gonna ask.
So right here we have all our ingredients for the smothered pork chops and Roland is gonna make the mixture. So first we're gonna open up the can of cream of chicken.
This stuff stinks.
This is the limpid onion mix.
Right here?
Pepper. What you doing? You gotta wait, okay? Just wait. This recipe is so quick and easy and straight to the point. So all you're doing is putting your little pork chops in there. And as you guys see, we got the smallest little pork chops. I see why they won't sell, but we're gonna make do with what we have and pour the mixture right on top. And I'm telling you, it just has such a great flavor. Put that on high for the next 4 hours and it will be tender and really, really good. Chef, how did that feel?
Felt pretty good actually.
All right.
All I had to do was throw stuff in the bowl, stir it up a little bit, pour it on top of the meat. Okay. It was done.
And it was simple, right?
Simple. Yeah.
Let's go on to the next thing.
All right, what we doing next?
All right. It's smelling so good. I think you earned the apron.
Oh, okay,
I think you earned some apron rights. All right. Let me check you out.
You looking like daddy at the cookout.
You got it? All right. Green beans and I have Roland on onion duty, so he is currently
we cutting the whole onion or half the onion. What we about to do here, chef?
The whole onion diced up.
Okay.
Check-in. How is going, chef?
Going pretty good, you know what I'm saying? I'm just dicing up these onions, you know, almost ready to go. You know, so you see this right here?
Just check you out.
Yeah, see this? And take these little bits out.
So basically, I already have the glazed carrots prepped. I'll be back. Harris, come back. And loved by you.
to go astray. Ooh, but guard my heart with your truth, the kind of love that's bulletproof, and I surrender to your kindness. Oh.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe now. Thank you.
You won't let go, no matter what I do, and it's not one or the other. It's hard truth and ridiculous grace to be known, fully known and loved by you. I'm fully known and loved by you.
So now I'm about to peel the potatoes for the mashed potatoes. This is going to be so simple. Again, I have the recipes linked in the description box. Also, you're going to see me put some potatoes off to the side. And that's because I had them for about like 3 weeks now. So some of them just kind of look weird. So I just chose not to use them. It's funny because I tried to use the crock pot as much as possible because I just did not feel like cooking on the stove top. I didn't feel like having a lot of dishes. So I'm happy to report that I only used 2 pots during this whole entire process. And that was 1 for the deviled eggs, and then 2 you're going to see for the mashed potatoes. All right, so now we're about to make this cream cornbread, and it's like absolutely one of my favorite recipes for cornbread. It's kind of like the Mexican cornbread. I keep saying cornbread a whole lot, but seriously, it's like Mexican cornbread minus the meat. Typically I would like to add jalapenos for like an extra kick, but like I said earlier in the video, I literally was trying to use what I had. Even I'm using this sour cream, like I don't even always put sour cream in it, but I know sour cream adds a lot of moisture to like cake based things, so I used it because I had it. So yeah, just continue watching. I'm going to have all recipes linked in the description box. It's really simple. Alright, so I'm back and I am about to make some deviled eggs. I've already taken out the yolk, and now I just got to add the mixture, which is going to be mayo, mustard, and relish. So with a little bit of salt and pepper. So let's just dig in. Comment below and tell me what's your favorite side item to like any type of savory dish. Like, are you a mac and cheese type of person? Do you like deviled eggs, yams, greens? Like, what is that one dish that you have to have when you got something that just hits your soul and it's really, really good? So now I'm just going to add a stick of butter in there. I have to mash everything up, but I'm going to let that butter start melting already. I'll simply just start just kind of whisking the, breaking the potatoes down. Add a little bit of my salt, some pepper, half and half. I'm just simply going to So now we're going to make some banana pudding. Hey, wait. You gotta go around. Wait, you gotta hold it. I know you want to eat it first, but you gotta hold it. Around. Around. You just want to taste it. Around. Good job. Stir. Okay, wait. Let's see. Does that look like some good pudding? You want to taste it?
He
Does it taste good?
He don't know his food.
Mmm. Mmm. Is that good? You want to try again? Mmm.
He got their lips.
So I'll be honest with you guys. This banana pudding was very interesting. I tried to use what I had in the house, but I had no Cool Whip. And it just was kind of weird. I used this graham cracker crust and I was just trying to improvise along the way. And I mean, we had some the other night and it didn't taste that bad. But, you know, this is not my best banana pudding. I just didn't even really give a lot of effort. I was getting tired. Rolling like the hair is like it. So, you know, y'all don't judge me too much on this part. So there you guys have it. We're about to dig in and enjoy our Easter dinner. So I hope that you guys were inspired to make something simple, easy, but tasty. So peace out. Harry, say bye-bye. All right, peace out.